We are discussing things that everybody should know before starting university. Is really important. It decides and shapes your future. University is just not all about your GPAs, your scores, your gradings, and all that. University is an experience. If you are dedicated and if you're passionate about something, go do it. Do not risk yourself. Do not sell yourself low. Do not leave your potential at the table. Because at the end of the day, regret would be left. Just go for something that is your calling, your vision, something that excites you, something that you want to offer to the world, be it medicine, be it engineering, be it anything. Just do not look for scopes. Everything is really important, before deciding a career. You have to keep things in mind. You have to see the challenges. You have to see, you have to be realistic in your approach before deciding a major for yourself. And apart from that, set realistic goals. I know dreaming is easy, but being realistic, being very disciplined, being organized throughout this journey helps a lot.
Every student in this chapter of their life are going through a phase of mental stress and a lot of things, peer pressure and everything. So they are basically piling up all these emotions in themselves. So what is the solution to that? And you can, and there's a limit to what you can tell to your friends, to your loved ones. So you should start journaling. Write your emotions, write your feelings down. And when you wake up at the start of your day, if you set an aim for yourself, you list down all the things, all the blessings that you are grateful for, and you set a target for the day or any good deed you want to do throughout the day. And if you cannot achieve it, you move on to another day. Once you achieve it, you at the end of the day, you write that down and you will feel a sense of accomplishment and that sense of accomplishment will boost your confidence.
I would like to talk about is that it's always a struggle to make friends, to be a part of a circle in which you perfectly fit in. Because in university life, it's absolutely important to have social connections, to have meaningful connections. You can have lower number of friends because it's the quality that matters the most, not the quantity. Once you implement it, like-minded people will surely be appreciative of your efforts. It's going to